Hi guys, for United People's TV, I'm Ben Topless and this is your Manchester United transfer roundup. We'll start with some massive news from Germany as Ilkay Gundogan confirms that he will not be renewing his contract with Borussia Dortmund. There was a lot of fuss last week that Gundogan was going to be joining Manchester United. There were some stories coming out that he'd already agreed a deal. This is just going to be the start of what's going to be a big story this summer. Arsenal and Bayern Munich also interested in him. We need to be getting this kind of player in. We can't be having Wayne Rooney playing in midfield if we're going to challenge for the league, we're going to challenge for the Champions League. We just need to get this guy in. He's a beautiful player. Him and Ander Herrera, my word, what a partnership that would be. Along with Michael Carrick, there is no reason why we can't be challenging next year. You have to feel for Dortmund fans though. Along with Gundogan, it looks like Hummels will be leaving and to Manchester United. You've got to feel sorry for him. Moving on, it looks like we're going to have a couple of loan deals that are going to be bubbling on this summer. The first one is for Adnan Januzaj. The Guardian's Jamie Jackson has been reporting that Manchester United will allow him to leave on a short-term deal. The second is for James Wilson. Newcastle United are apparently interested in him. It would be a good move for both of them. You know, they're not going to get many chances under Louis van Gaal towards the end of the season, if at all. And next season, moving forward, we need to get these players out on loan. We need to get them regular first team minutes, and it'll only do them the world of good. People do forget that they are so young in their careers. Adnan Januzaj is 20 years old, James Wilson is 19 years old. Going out on loan would do wonders for them. Now, Paris Saint-Germain, they must be having a laugh because apparently they want Angel Di Maria for 45 million in the summer. They really are having a laugh because we're not going to let a player go that just joined last year for £60 million. Yes, he's had a bad season, but he's a quality player. He's going to bounce back. And there you have it. You are bang up to date. What do you think about Gundogan? Is he going to be a good signing or is he too much of an injury risk? Let us know in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe to United People's TV.